While you join us from a very, very wet woodlands. We're out just clearing up after all the storms and the winter damage. Trying this, the ITEHIL water filtration system. I've managed to put the filters in, 2 filters in there. You get your hybrid one and your RO filter. It's supposed to take water out the stream and make it good to drink. And I've seen a few reviews on this. It was sent to me for a review video, and I was like, you know, I wasn't overly keen at first, but if it does work well, it could be a game changer for us carrying a lot of water down to this camp here. Water is always an issue. Streams both sides, but it's filtering it. So I was like, do you know what? If this actually works, like they say it does, it'll be a game changer for us camping here in the summer. So I've set it all up. I have charged it up. It's USB point there for charging. I'll put it on charge. You've got your output, so that should be where your clean water comes from, and that's where we're going to plug in our larger tube. Just screws in, and we're going to get this set up. We're going to get it working. You'll see quite a few videos being done on this with people at home at their workbenches, but you know me, I go shit or bust out in the woods. So we'll get it all set up. Like I say, the only thing I have done is charged it up and put the filters in. You do get a tool if you need it to put the filters in. I didn't need that. I just whipped it all together, a couple of minutes, job done. That's screwed in. So yeah, we'll take it down to the river and we'll see how we get on with it. You'll be seeing it the same as I'm seeing it. Not been used, not been set up. And if it's my last video, you know not to get one because it probably poisoned me from the river. So yeah, I'll get you down there now. So I'm just going to leave that now. It says it needs like 35 minutes to clean out, do a flush, get the filters activated. So we're just going to leave that run and just let water go through it. We'll leave it while we set up some other bits and have a clean up. So yeah, pretty impressed with that. I'll put the length of the hose right out as far as it would go into the stream, and it did lift the water up okay. It was a bit slow. It's, you know, it's only a small pump in there, but it come up all right. And there's quite a good flow on both of them now, enough for us to keep filling pots up and all that. And like I say, if this proves today to be quite good, this will be a favourite piece of equipment, really. It saves us. We've got filter bottles that we normally go down the river and filter, but we do a lot of outdoor backpacking, and you know, when you're in remote areas, you've only got that bottle. It may save, they're quite expensive bottles. And this system can just be set up down here, and I'll build a table down here for it to go on, that into the river. We've got water at camp. I like the idea of that. So yeah, I'll get back to you and show you the results in a minute. I'm pretty impressed with it, I've got to say. I didn't have high hopes, but I have got high hopes at the minute for this. It's looking quite good. Well, just filling up the water bottle. Like I say, the white one is your drinking water, and the blue one there is for things like dishes and stuff like that. Yeah, brilliant. Proof's in the pudding. Yep. Tastes like fucking water. more of a cider guy myself. Is that water on the tap? Water out the stream? I don't know how you'd say that, but you know what? I've been messing around with it because it's been doing a self-clean thing for like 35 minutes. When you get it new, you've got to do a self-clean. It doesn't clean on itself. And for the distance that I'm taking this water out the river, I am pretty impressed with this, I'll tell you. Do you know what? This is definitely... I mean, you probably get that flow a little bit better on quite a distance from the stream, I've got to say. Well, the stream's behind me, look, and I've gone full whack with a pipe. But yeah, you know, I'm pretty impressed with this. I will leave the links in the description box below. I may have a discount code for you. But, do you know what, if you've got a fixed camp where you've got a water source, something like this could be a game changer for you. Or a group camp where you go through a lot of water. Because I just leave this filtering into a big jerry can, me, while I went off and got my firewood ready and stuff. And that is brilliant. Yeah, that'll be. And then this one is your water here. This is, but yeah, pretty impressed with that. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Yeah, thanks for watching this little review on this water filter system. I like it. I was going to have a play with it now because I've got some cooking to do later. So I'm going to use the water from the stream from this. I just sat here thinking to myself, if I knew this was actually going to be quite good and work, because I didn't think it would go the whole distance, I wouldn't have carried down all the water in my pack with me, which was a killer. So, yeah. There it is. Ta-da! I'll see you on the next one. That don't fucking work. I'll have to turn the camera off. Hang on.